In the background here, there is a map of United States. And yes, there are some states that have implemented or that have regulations around privacy, and many others don't, and they're working on them. Federal government, the legislature, our Congress is also working on a federal privacy law, which is great. The question is not which states have privacy laws and which don't. The question is, why do you lock your house when you go out? After all, as far as I'm aware, there isn't a law that states thou shall lock your house when you go out, but still we do it, don't we? That's because it's common sense. We don't want people lurking into our houses, looking at our details and the valuables that we have, and so on and so forth. Well, privacy is the same way. It doesn't matter that your state has or doesn't a privacy law. You're carrying something extremely valuable about your customers, their data. They care about it. They have trusted you with their data. They have trusted us all as businesses. It is our responsibility not to just do the checkbox privacy, but actually secure their data within our premises.